Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a look with the James Charles palette. I'm like super excited about this because I've been wanting this for a while. I don't know why I waited so long for this because this is literally so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using Skip, which is a bright neon pink, and I'm just gonna put it in my crease area. I'm taking Single, which is like a dark lavender shade, and I'm going to put it closer to my eyelid but still in my crease area and kind of making a V to start blending it into like a purple. I'm going to go back with the same brush that I used for the pink, and I'm going to just blend out this mess. I'm going to be taking my concealer and I'm going to place it on a part of my eyelid. I'm going to be taking Hello, which is this blue shade, and putting it where I put the concealer at. I'm going to be going back with the lavender shade. I'm going to kind of push it, that way it blends together. I'm going to go back in with Skip, which is the hot pink shade, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm going to take Single, which is the dark lavender shade, and I'm going to put it closer to my lower lash line. I'm going to be taking Hello, which is the blue shade, and I'm going to put it in my inner corners. I'm going to be taking Pinkity Drinkity, which is the very lightest pink shade in this palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with it. I'm going to take the M165 in the darkest blue shade, which is Cola, and I'm going to kind of do a liner on the top. I'm going to take some of it and and put it on my lower lash line as well. Okay, so I'm going to go put on mascara and lashes and I'll be back. Okay, so I popped on some lashes, popped on some lipstick, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that bell notification so you get rung when I post, and I will see you guys next time, and I'm out.